Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the love. Continue subscribing to join the farm. So today we will be preparing samosas, and it is a very exciting activity. So we start with boiling the minced meat. You first boil them, so we're going to leave them to boil for some minutes, and then we prepare the dough. We have the home baking flour, we have salt, we have sugar, we have a basin, cooking oil, and some warm water. So we are just going to use what we have here. So we add water into the basin. We have a small portion of salt just to taste. Then we add sugar. Just like how you prepare the chapati dough. So we add flour to the water. We were finishing the last sweet flour. The previous one, so that we can open a new pack. So we'll be using both soko and a jab. You just mix. We shall buy a da mixer someday. So we shall use our hands. You just mix until it forms the dough. All these things are easily accessible. We add some more flour. We are still mixing. Add some more water until the dough is finally formed. So we have to be patient. But this work would be so easy with a mixer, mostly the electric one. You just press the button and it could do all the work for you. But since we don't have one, so we continue with the mixing, and it is coming together. It is now ready. So we want to put it in the basin and cover it, let it sit for some few minutes, and then we can be preparing the mincemeat in the meantime. Meanwhile, our minced meat is ready, so we want to add some onions and what? Yeah, basically some onions, because we do not want to fry them, so we'll just add. We are now preparing some, is it glue or something, to stick the samosa sides. Yeah, so you add water, salt and sugar and a little bit of wheat flour. Yes, you all know how it is normally used to stick things together. Just mixing again. Just ensure it is mixed well. It has no lumps. Yeah, and here you could have used the mixer again, but then this is just a little amount, so you can do it yourself. Now let us prepare the onions. We're just using the normal round onions. What are these called? I don't know. Yeah, because we could not find the other ones, the ones that are normally used with samosa. We looked in so many places, we could not find them, and we had to prepare the samosa regardless. So you just add the oil, a little bit of oil to the meat, and a little of the onions. You stir them, yeah, for quite some time. Yeah, just to ensure the onions are not like raw, like for kachumbari. Now give it some time to cook. Some little time. Here is our dough. So we have to slice it into pieces. Yes, you cannot use it as a whole, so just like you do with the chapatis, you slice it into portions. So we are rolling the huge one, like the one that we made the entire dough. We're rolling it, then we slice it to make smaller ones. So we're slicing it. Then after slicing, you have to make another, is it a ball or whatever it is. Again. So again we slice to make smaller ones. Great job. Yes, so we're making the, what are they called? I don't know what to call them. But yes, these are the ones we are making. Yes, so we begin rolling the balls because yeah, so we are now rolling outwards. So you just roll them and then you cut so that you can make the smaller ones, the smaller balls. Now the one which will make the tortilla, the one for the chapati, you just warm them so you just warm them a little bit like this, and then you warm all of them, and then you will later cut into shapes so that you can make the pockets. So we have already done the pockets and put the minced meat inside, and then now we are deep frying. You make sure that you put them inside the oil when it's still warm, and then when they turn golden brown is when we take them out of the oil. So this is the final product. Thank you for watching.